As you have heard from the scriptures, Abel's blood cried out for justice to the Most High. When Cain slew his brother, we read for the first time how the spirit of man separates from his earthly body. Once Abel's body was dead, his spirit continued to live and can petition the Most High. Although the scripture said Abel's blood is seeking justice, it was Abel's spirit that is crying out to the Most High. Remember, your spirit do not die. It continues to live. Majority of you want to know the location to the afterlife. The spirit realm and the physical realm are not the only realms. There are multiple realms parallel to the earth. The book of Enoch revealed there are multiple dimensions. There is a realm for the spirit of the children of men. There is a realm for the angels that sinned. A realm that is a prison for the watchers who sinned. Today we will focus on the realm that holds the spirit of your relatives and friends that transition to the afterlife.